thank Endoscopy for accepting this paper about endoscopic submucosal dissection with adaptive traction. I am Mathieu Pioche, an endoscopist from Edouard Herriot Hospital in Lyon. And I will present you soon Louis-Jean Magnaud, who is one of our fellows who invented the device we are talking about. So, as you know, we are working on ESD, particularly in difficult locations like colon, etc., since a long time. And we developed first the strategy with rubber band traction, but with time, we saw that this strategy has some limitations. And the main limitation is that when the procedure goes on, the stretching of the rubber band is reducing, and therefore the traction strength is going down, making the procedure more difficult at the end than at the beginning, which is not a good thing for people who are training or who are doing a complex procedure. It should become more easy with the time and not becoming very difficult at the end when you become to be tired. So the study was called Endoscopic Submucosal Dissection Assisted by Adaptive Traction, and we present here the results of the first 54 procedures in a multi-center settings with the friends from Limoges, Rennes, and Lyon. And Louis-Jean, the fellow who invented the Attract device, will present you the main results.
So thank you, Mathieu. The study's key findings are that Attract handmade device is safe and effective across various parts of the GI tract with more than 90% of R0 resection and a very low rate of perforation, around 3%. The device was used in a range of very challenging locations without safety concerns, which marks its significance. So the next steps for us are to continue studying our handmade device and to verify that the results that we had are consistent or tend to improve over time. As discussed with the reviewer of Endoscopy, our device is significant only if we can spread it, so only if we can have an industrialized version. For it to be validated and to obtain regulatory approval, we need to do further studies with an animal study, for example. Thank you very much for Endoscopy to have us present our initial results, and we can't wait to show you the next ones.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.